Your thoughts shape your reality. In this inspiring video, discover the secret to transforming your life through the power of your mind. Learn how to plant seeds of positivity, shift your perspective, and align your thoughts with your action to unlock your best self. If you've ever felt stuck or wondered how to break free from negative patterns, this video is for you. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly inspiration. What's one positive thought you're focusing on today? Share it in the comments below. Ready to transform your life? Start now. Have you ever stopped to wonder how much your thoughts shape your life? I mean, really think about it. Every decision, every action, every moment, it all begins here. Today I want to share something that transformed my life and could change yours too. The secret to becoming what you think. When I was younger, I didn't understand the power of my thoughts. I blamed circumstances, people, even luck for my setbacks. But one day I heard a simple truth that hit me like a thunderbolt. You are the architect of your reality. At first I shrugged it off. I mean, how could thinking alone change anything, right? But then I started noticing a pattern. When I focused on negativity, on fear, failure, or frustration, it was like my world mirrored those emotions. But when I chose to think differently, everything began to shift. Here's the thing, your mind is like fertile soil. The thoughts you plant are the seeds. Plant doubt, and you'll harvest insecurity. Plant hope, and you'll reap opportunity. It's not magic, it's the simple truth of focus and intention. I remember a turning point in my life. I was stuck in a job I hated, going through the motions. Every day I told myself, this is all there is. And guess what? That became my reality. But then I asked myself a powerful question. What if I thought differently? I started envisioning the life I wanted. Not just the surface stuff, success, money, recognition, but the deeper things, peace, purpose, fulfillment. I held on to those thoughts, and little by little, my actions followed. It wasn't easy. Change never is. But the moment I aligned my thoughts with my actions, doors began to open. Here's what I want you to know. The world doesn't change overnight, but your perspective can. Start small. Begin with gratitude. Every morning, think of 3 things you're thankful for. Then shift your focus from problems to solutions. Instead of asking, why is this happening to me? Ask, what can I learn from this? Because here's the truth. Life isn't happening to you. It's happening for you. Mindfulness is key. Pay attention to what you consume. Not just food or media, but thoughts. If you feed your mind with fear and doubt, it will starve your dreams. But if you nourish it with faith, courage, and positivity, you'll thrive. I'm not saying it's easy. Life will test you, but every challenge is a chance to grow. When you change your thoughts, you change your world. That's not just a nice saying. It's a principle that can guide you through anything. So, I leave you with this. What are you planting in the garden of your mind? Take a moment today to reflect, to reset, and to choose your thoughts with intention. Because the secret to transforming your life isn't out there. It's in here. If this resonated with you, share it with someone who needs a little inspiration today. And remember, you have the power to create the life you dream of, one thought at a time.